Now, former Pakistan captain and commentator Sana Mir triggered a huge controversy while commenting during Pakistan-Bangladesh match of the Women's ODI World Cup in Colombo on Thursday. Referring to a batter, Natalia Parvez Mir said on air that she hails from Azad Kashmir. She has triggered outrage by making a politically charged comment. The International Cricket Council is known for its strict stance on neutrality and is yet to issue a statement on the controversial matter. Bangladesh won the match by 7 wickets. All right, to talk more on this, we are joined by Deepika Mehto from Sri Lanka, who has been covering this tournament. Deepika, the rule says that you can't give political statements during world feed commentary. Tell us, what are the implications now? Can she be removed from the commentary panel?
Abhishek, soon after this statement, which was made by Sana Mir during her commentary for the Pakistan versus Bangladesh match on Thursday, she issued an official statement because soon after what she commented on the match and especially on the specific player, she had to release an official statement late on Thursday evening where she issued a clarification on social media because she was receiving a lot of backlash from Indians all across not only Colombo but all across the world who were watching the match and who observed what happened in the commentary via Sana Mir. Now, what she said in that statement, she said that the statement was completely harmless and we should not give it a political spin. This is what has been quoted by Sana Mir in her official statement, and she also said that her remarks in the commentary were not political in nature and she wasn't expecting an explanation to be released. But now, considering the backlash that she's been facing so far on Azad Kashmir comment that she made on Parvez, she said that she just made the comment because she referred to the Pakistan occupied Kashmir and the struggles the player faced throughout the tournament and, you know, making it to bigger events from such places. But then she also said that this is not to be politicized. Now, talking about what repercussions she have to face, we are yet to see any official confirmation or any official reaction even from BCCI or ICC. And Sana Mir has meanwhile released an official statement that her statement is being blown out of proportion. So it remains to be seen that how ICC or the BCCI is going to react as per the rule book. But as of now, the official statement on clarification has come from Sana Mir, the commentator.
Absolutely. Abhishek. She said Kashmir first and then Azad Kashmir, and Sana Mir has given clarification, but she hasn't apologized. We'll leave it at that. Thank you, Deepika. We'll keep taking updates from you.